Here we have a wheelchair that allows you to stand up. How have I never seen this before? Whoa. What?
Engineering.
Damn. See, if they can do that, they can do 0 to 60 in 1.5. If you can do this. That is...
Wow.
How have I never seen this before?
Like in real life, you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I would think... I mean, I don't know why. I guess it's probably more expensive or something, but that would be useful for any wheelchair because now you can reach cabinets and...
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, go back to the beginning of that. I want to see like the starting. It's like it looks like a normal wheelchair. It's not like any bigger.
No.
Huh.
I feel like this should just be the default wheelchair.
There's way more moving parts though.
So there's more stuff to break.
Yeah. I guess he has to strap up as
That
well.
too.
Yeah, but it seems worth it, no?
I think so.
He took the strap off and he's still going, like as if to prove he doesn't need the strap.
Right. It sounds like it looks like
I think
the
the strap
is
helps
there
get
to,
you up.
Yeah, it's to mechanically move the thing up with you. It's,
Somebody has a good idea in the chat. You connect a battery to that, and all of a sudden it's motorized, and you're just in an upright position, and
You're a transformer.
you are at that point.
Yeah.
You got a Transformer thing going on, don't you?
Dude, I love. Well, not all Transformers. Optimus Prime.
Oh, not all.
I just grew up like he was the first toy I ever had. Like my brother had it, and then when he broke, he gave it to me. And I remember this was the first toy that I ever like truly wanted, and I had it.
There's a new Lego one.
Yeah,
Have you
yeah.
heard about it? It's $170.
I'm totally getting this.
Oh, okay. 19 points of articulation. That's when you're really into it. You start to talk about points of articulation.
No, okay.
Like a Gundam.
I don't care about the points of articulation.
Okay. Go ahead.
I just think
What
he's
do
awesome.
you care about? What do you care about, Dave? That's
He's
people
just-
want to know.
He's pretty cool. You know what's even sicker? There is a teal and white Optimus Prime. He's not called Optimus Prime. I forget his name. But he's a Transformer who's teal and white.
So does that mean that...
He's-
why does that mean he's better?
Because he's got the best colors. I forget his name.
Ultra Magnus.
That's right. Look up Ultra Magnus. That's his name. Ultra Magnus. Oh, that's not him.
Maybe this guy.
I just remember a teal and white version.
I mean, I like the name Ultra Magnus.
Yeah. Yeah, there he is.
Did you own him?
No, but I wanted him.
I wanted him.
Look at him. He's like albino Optimus.
Well, I feel like you can track him down now. No?
Yeah, I'm sure, but probably like $4,000.
Right. For Ultra Magnus.
For Ultra Magnus.
He's just that rare.